Greetings, everyone, and welcome to another episode of the Up and Live Show. I'm your girl, Jalika Bronas. I'm Dragon All Star and the Wheels of Steel. DJ Rick, Bread Back, Mad One, 5Q, anywhere in the world, my brother, then big up on himself. This is what we do every Tuesday between 9 and 11. We are sponsored by Granaries over there in 6 Overton's Yard in Croydon, where you have the hottest weekly event. So make sure to go over to the Instagram page, check out the details, and support the weekly events. This week, like no other, we have, a special guest who is, international. We're going to call him an international act who is going to be having a chat with us later on this evening. So make sure that you do one thing for us and share the live. Tell a friend for forward over this side, because we're going to have a good conversation with artists. We're going to have we have some things to talk about too. A lot of things are happening in and around the world. So yeah, let's have a chat about that.
Exactly.
Yeah. Share the live, people. Make some people forward over yourself.
We have some housekeeping for do, man. We have to fix some things because a whole heap of things are going on. The media is busy. It's quite active.
Yes.
Whole heap of game I play, football I play out there. Some man side dead, some man side gone home early.
Oh, yeah.
I don't know what go on. But we are going to find out what go on. We are going to analyze everything this evening and fix up and we'll forget scrap where one side or stay over there. So I don't know. Some money I support some side are dead in our war. I don't know.
We side them attack.
We not know we matured, but
Yeah, find out what going. Bread, so you stay, because you do 501 different things. And you not look on the camera. Which side are you supporting?
image short one. Come in, I wonder.
Good evening, good morning,
Good evening, sir.
Yes.
The team just win 6-1, man. Domino score, man.
Okay. So I kind of celebrate, support. Obviously, every Jamaican support Brazil from birth.
Another one.
But no, Brazil, we can't.
Which side you support?
Originally,
Stop long out the thing.
No, I'm not long, but I have to give you an explanation because there's reason.
No, just get to the point.
No, we can't get to that point.
All right,
I'm a Rasta
talk.
man this day and tonight.
Talk your talk.
Oh, I support Brazil because I like when Brazil play.
I call like it like.
No, I like the excitement of the game. I can't take a dead football and a boring football. I can't take the science project.
Dead football now play for a World Cup start.
Oh, you mean, what a dead game play?
Well,
You know watch all them.
No
I
dead
watch,
game no
I
play.
drop asleep on
I
that one.
watch some of them. All I work, me I sleep. I watch them.
Drop asleep.
yeah,
You're sleeping and watching the matches.
So you're Brazilian back then.
Brazil, me a black still. Yeah.
Much of you play them from your Premier League side upon that team there.
Yeah, man. Casemiro, my bad baller, my general.
You not really count him, just giant.
Oh, you mean you know giant, you know count.
Anthony.
But me tell you say Casemiro a one player will fix Man United, and every Man United fan, you ask those nothing.
Make me start.
Wait. No. Wait,
Stop
make
it
him
nice.
finishing point. Make him finishing point.
You're the Arsenal
Hold
fan.
on, brother.
So you know feel Man United pain when we lose and we get so 3-1
You don't
beaten.
feel no man pain.
And so some beaten from some dongle side we are beat with. So when we say Casemiro a one player will fix Man United side to an extent,
Steady the ship in the midfield.
the Man United fan then can understand what me I say. Arsenal fan talk now.
Oh, we still talk trash.
Oh my gosh, can you be nice, please?
Make we talk about World Cup because we not talk no more trash, you see me? Because when we not talk no trash,
So why your side? Why your side?
Brazil me a support.
Okay. No, me I change Brazil. Me I
I'm
have
supporting
You
Brazil.
do this all this time.
I'm supporting Brazil. Me don't know. You have to gravitate to where you know 2 or 3 players from your team. You think of England you're supposed
So
to.
what? No. So hold on. I start Man United. Eh? How much player for Arsenal for Brazil?
One.
Where are
No.
they?
One.
Eh?
One.
One.
More Nelly.
That's
Eh?
it.
Yeah.
Jesus Christ of Nazareth.
In Ghana.
Bad man, tap
Who
it
gone
chat in
home?
Jesus.
Why is he
I
gone
told
home?
that.
Wait. Why has
Tap
Justice
it
gone home?
chat in a big
Them
man.
cut him slippers. He injured 3 months.
Rasta Lars.
Yo.
Spanish show Rasta intersection.
So big man.
Find back away,
Alright,
Find back away.
like how we live in the UK.
Yeah.
Nobody not faith in England.
No. All right.
We not faith in England.
Me not support England.
It's coming
but-
up. I'm joking.
But when England play,
Yeah.
if my team want me support, then I the competition. Me not support them just I watch them because I'm in a country, but one them win the World Cup. But the
England?
final-
No.
No. When I say if them in a further they come to like the final where they
Yeah.
one them win it, but one them lose at the same time.
Because we have feelings to England for them to the youth them for the last.
Yes. So
Yeah.
if
Me not have no feelings.
if them win it,
You can't say anything.
listen, if them win it,
Mm.
it's yeah. But then all them gonna treat man them in a team win it. They might get less of the praise. Even the man them bring the team. Cause look at soccer them score first game play.
Much goal can score in a World
One.
Cup.
And now where him
Hasn't Saka scored in every match?
No, the first
Every
one.
match when play.
No,
Every match where Saka play,
Him
him
score
score.
in a 3 game.
Yeah.
And him play 3 game.
2
Yeah,
games, bro. 2 games scored.
He man scored 3 goals.
Let's just
In a
Google
2
it.
game, 1 in a 2.
Alright, let's 2 game score.
2 games scored now, bro.
You want-
Continue, Brad.
Google
Dragon,
it then.
Dragon,
No,
you lose that one.
Make-
Put the money right so.
No, we're not bet on this. Dragon, you lose that one. Let's carry on. I two
We
goals
not tempo my ball.
Him scored 2 goals in 1 game, the first game, and then win 6-1.
And a 3 goal man score.
So that me I tell you, say in a 2 game.
Jesus Christ.
Brad, continue.
Yeah, so when when Kane get the assistant in the first game,
Yeah.
and then after my boy they score Grealish, I am at the front page.
That's why I don't want.
Yeah.
Really and truly, we're supposed to support England. But really and truly, we
I am
know
not.
how the system. This is the system where we are fight against, not the actual players them. Because obviously the youth them.
The players are doing very well.
Yeah, they're doing all right, and but it's just the mindset of the how we call them
The
now.
FIFA.
Not even say FIFA. It's not FIFA is a problem. It's the people of
Sorry,
England
FA.
that do not see
Yeah.
others as equals to them.
And I really
That is what we have a
I
problem
really
with.
put them alone enough. We do put the people them. Because the people more than sheep. The media.
So now people my media.
No. This is different from the media.
Because media put up the story and the narratives, right?
But
The media and the FA, them.
you can't say the media. You have to say.
Wait, one at
what
a
the FA have
time.
to do with this
One at
now?
a time.
Because remember the FA is the governing body of the football bit. So what them have to do with like the narrative that come out on the road?
Everything.
Because the FA don't rule against them unfavorably. So
The
in
FA
terms
is-
of this, it's more like the media and just people and them racist mind and thought. Because we all see what's happening in the Euros. The last time, man, they missed the penalty.
Yeah.
And a bag of thing go on, the whole country has shown them and say, yo, them shouldn't get in the game, blah, blah, blah. And we see what happen. Is very rarely them put the black youth them on the front
On the
page of the
forefront.
media. With the 19-year-old name again, Bellingham.
Yeah.
Bellingham.
Yeah,
I think he's the best player.
He's
Alright.
doing,
He's
he's
doing
doing so
extremely
well.
well.
The
And
last
like,
extremely well.
him not really get
The last
the
game.
big praises. You get me?
The last game where King get one of the match. But Bellingham play way better than him, assist and everything.
Exactly.
Him play. King get man above. You see Kane right now, the last one time Kane missed the goal, I see again Sterling the ball. Who get cussed? All like black play them.
You see, you see, this is a bigger issue than football. We don't even want to delve into that too much because this is going to take up the whole of the show. And kind of
Quickly, let's just have a little prediction for this Saturday game against England and France. What's your
France
prediction for that game?
Murder and slaughteration. France win.
France
France win.
Saturday.
France win. Remember, space clear.
Wait,
Nah.
before we go Saturday, can we deal with the matches in order of playing?
No more good match now. Play,
finished.
man.
I mean, no good, no
What do
good
you
match.
mean?
You're going like, you know, like the style that I play. It's not a
Say
good
no
match.
more
that
good
I play.
match now,
But
play.
Argentina and Brazil have matches to play.
Yeah,
Brazil
but
have played
no.
today.
They are playing on Friday as well. That's what I'm saying. In order
Argentina
of
play tomorrow.
Brazil-
Argentina is playing on Friday.
Argentina
Saturday,
play
Saturday Argentina
tomorrow.
play.
That-
Argentina play Saturday.
I'm looking at the schedule.
Schedule. Who them a play tomorrow now?
Tomorrow's what day?
Tomorrow is
The
not
7th.
Friday.
Tomorrow's not Friday. I'm
There's
talking
no
about
game.
Friday. There's no game tomorrow.
That's
no
why
game
I tell you
tomorrow.
we are talking about Saturday and move up. Cause I don't
Yeah,
know
Friday,
about
Saturday,
So
Sunday.
Friday, Saturday.
Friday.
So
What play-
Friday,
what play
Netherlands and Argentina are playing.
Argentina next
Argentina
flight.
win
Sunday,
that.
Sunday flight back home.
Friday, Croatia versus Brazil.
Brazil stay Croatia going back home.
Saturday, England versus France.
Sunday England up on the first flight back to Heathrow.
I know them one lad.
Morocco versus Portugal on Saturday.
Morocco back home. Them boy yourself jelly.
Well, we can't talk about next
But
week
the
yet.
Morocco game, though, still, Morocco have a good side, have a good team.
Morocco doesn't have a.
They have
Honestly,
a good team, not
they have a-
individual, a good team.
They have a good team, but to be honest, they didn't face a great opponent. And
so,
there's
England.
England get a easy run, you know.
yeah, England get an easy
With
run.
that game there. True.
But in terms of like say Morocco team they play very defensive. It's like we can't judge them because you know when time some some lower league club buck up on like some big star club like say Arsenal go play Brentford one little
Arsenal a big club.
Use your side name because we now want different league. Them.
Arsenal
Like,
a big club. Arsenal currently.
you know
is
say, you
good.
know see what me like with
They want a
Arsenal
big-
fan
they want a
them.
big club, they
Listen me
want a
now
big
listen me
Brett, Brett, okay,
let me
look
tell you
here.
something.
Brett,
Wait,
okay.
no.
Listen,
no,
let me finish
we're
it now.
not respond to that right
Arsenal
now, guys.
a big- Arsenal a big club, bro.
On my phone there.
Arsenal
club.
On the
listen,
top of the table.
Arsenal have this December January syndrome. You see every time
No,
me and Arsenal
we
fans
normally
them,
be
let me talk
very
now man. Let me talk now man.
shit
I
this
finish.
time of year.
Listen, let me talk.
Why?
I finish. Because for the last 6, 7, 8 years, me I watch football. Arsenal always do well when they come up to December. As soon as they reach January, they start moonwalk like Michael Jackson and party in a side. Me no know.
Team not pass out, them a pass it.
So me not say nothing, but you see Arsenal, me not really pay Arsenal no mind when they lead the charts league.
Space filler.
For up till January. After February, me can have a conversation with Arsenal people. But anyway, and music we are talking about now. Football. I talk about football we are going for this come
right now,
in Saturday.
Right now because I work up here, it's song in Jamaica. And I say, so we're going. Everybody start listening radio and watch YouTube. Everybody watch TV, you know.
Man, them still in my studio.
All right, so
anyway, moving on.
Yeah, we see a little thing come out the other day with famous we call it internet personality Peanut Dread. One of the hottest thing around now. Say most of his video that he do and what's on YouTube, they know the little royalty when they get a fight and little money, the little monetization. Me say him not get it. Me say SlickWhite Line. Send him on 2 bills out of all of the splices where him use. Cause to be honest, I never see a SlickWhite Line video without a Peanut Dread in it.
That's true.
If you think about it, and now SlickWhite Line come out and say a video say the umbre I go like say him want to mind him and him say him give Peanut Dread money out of, but in them cases we see it happen all the time. They always abuse these situations, and I feel like say the law is out there to protect things like this, and I think in a situation like this, them for do it the right way and go to the law. I don't know if the man will help out Peanut Dread now. If he's honest and with him, because I see a little video say the man really live a dirt.
He's destitute.
So he's live in a very deplorable condition, and like him have a little sore foot, like
it's
like
true. It is a sore foot.
Him have a sore foot because him say him have a broke foot, like, you know, and him say he bust out back.
Yeah.
So basically he's sore and him tie it up with a cloth and thing you can see. It look like the run and beer things. And the man he must seek some help. And now the Rasta hombre, I don't know who him is. But look like say I try help him out with that thing there. Whoever that was angling the YouTube page. Yeah. So wrap up thing go on. I say just like how Drizzy and Bada cat them and something similar to that go on.
Alright. You see the YouTube channel where them do film, that's figure film money. You see the SlickWhite Line thing, they put them video them in a promo on YouTube and Instagram. So he's gonna give him a pay fee, but the person who give him the AdWord for the PM. So if the man give him a little change now and then, that's all him can do. Is it me? I like say I get money from it when he post my Instagram. It's not. Yeah,
doesn't Instagram pay people?
No.
Instagram pay people.
Instagram pay certain people when you have certain followers. And YouTube, SlickWhite Line, skit them is on YouTube as well. So he's monitored.
That's what I'm saying. If it's on YouTube, then that's
what we are saying. It's on YouTube as well and it's monetized. So he have a steady income come forwarding from his videos, and anyway you want to look at it, that's Peanut Dread, what you call it, videos he's using.
Yeah.
So right is right and wrong is wrong.
And even without laws, I think content should play a big role in this.
Because
I know it's hard, but I mean
he should have made thousands of dollars out of Peanut Dread and a little snip in them.
Yeah, but
because when I say SlickWhite Line are talented, he state him claim and say I'm talent make him get where him there. But an idea, just like how the music industry go, if you sample a man's song or you use piece of a man's lyrics or piece of a man's song, you have to buy the little part. They have to pay.
You have to pay royalties for it.
And it's just the same like with music. Just like in a video, if you put up a man video, or then flag it on YouTube, because Peanut Dread is not monetized on certain little thing. But him still can't say him because he's the person.
Yeah, but
him can't make them take down all of them video.
But there's a problem with that. There's a big problem. How do you monetize how much he's entitled to and how much SlickWhite Line can use without have to be paying royalties? You see the problem? You see the big catch-22?
They say, all right, just like if you review a song, I have the song.
You have the split sheet.
You have 7 seconds you can use. You know that?
Yeah, so that's why when they say even Terror I do even video them, him loop them. So you will see it in the video, but it have a certain number, time frame.
You can use,
so
7 seconds.
If him do a skit, I use 3 seconds, at 6 seconds at that. So to the line him have, YouTube will say, yo, you didn't violate the
The terms, because you can only use a certain amount.
Community.
Yeah. So basically, it's they come down to this now, yeah. If you, for instance, one video give all $1,000 a month, yeah. If you get Peanut Dread $150 a month, half of it, him can't mind what they say, but he might give him something. Got any idea?
Even $50 a month, but the thing is like.
You go 150, but see there, even it's about.
I mean,
yes, but there's no
basis or
no number.
But then again, we don't
know.
know.
Obviously,
we don't
the video
know.
fluctuate, but we're just using that number as a base mark and say, yo, it's a thing if we don't have an agreement because they based on the conversation, they have spoken on the phone and they have like a verbal agreement.
Right.
Seeing and it look like me can see it look like say a part of the deal wasn't held up.
Yeah.
So like him give him a little money then stop. And then like people are saying, no boy, man make more. You know what Jamaica stay. As soon as a man out there has madness is I said, no, you forget more. He might make millions of dollars.
I was gonna say that to you.
But at the end of the day, it always clear because Peanut Dread say him get $200. Saying and SlickWhite Line come and confirm but he say the man them go like say he mind them. One little man running blah blah blah. It's a video out.
Right.
Where him say that. So that confirm it's a little one-half payment him get. Which in a sense that not right. If you are using man property, you want to have a verbal agreement. Hold up your end of the agreement because I saw you where we see this thing go too much time with a little man because he's not computer savvy and
he's taking advantage of.
He's not so smart. Doing what doing in a modern age. People take advantage of them and these things need to stop.
But
because them thing is exploitation.
Look my boy there with that King video. Where them say, yo, you ramp with me here, the intro. That man they always there 3 mile, yeah. We know can give him money. But you'll find once money just say, you know what? You can get money for that because it's actually an official song and a film audio.
Exactly.
Them I use after one video.
This
do the song.
This man.
Alright, just like hold on, you see. Sorry. Just like Boom Boom of that Tyker says the Billboard selector.
Yeah.
He's just talking like that was in a song and that song made it to the Billboard.
Right.
So him known as a Billboard selector after that. So just like how that man have him intro in the song.
Yeah.
Same
he's
thing.
supposed to.
Yeah.
But here the man make it bad for everything now. Whoever is pushing this narrative for Peanut Dread for him go live on the internet and disclose this information.
Story. Well, it's a Jamaica Star thing. Which one of the information are we talking about here?
No,
is this his situation?
His situation.
His living situation?
It's
in the news.
Yeah, it is in the news.
A long time I live so.
Yeah, but here the problem with what we have with this now.
Yeah.
Before him go through that situation, because obviously his content is being used by one person. Everybody knows that SlickWhite Line are using content.
And then boss.
Why him never link
Dragon All Star too.
SlickWhite Line one away with the brother we are pushing narrative and say, yo, big man, the man in that situation here, what we can do to help him and assist him.
Who says that wasn't
Rick,
done? We don't know.
That's why we say.
But that's what I'm saying. I'm asking the question.
Did made. That's what the whole thing I forward offer. Say the man and the man links the white line. So him get the little 2 bills. So obviously, because he wasn't knowledgeable about the situation, so these video actually I make money.
Right.
So basically, the fact when him get their knowledge, just say, yo, it's a bunch of money I make half of the video them.
Okay.
So him want him cut now. So you would come like say, yo, you pouring out the money I live in one way, but you realize say, but hold on there. Me have one piece of dead left money me can go for. Well, as soon as you realize say you have the piece of money they can get, you start fighting nail and tooth to get the money.
Okay,
there.
so SlickWhite Line
like
is so basically a SlickWhite Line of the problem.
But no, they're joking. No, he's the only put up. All right, enough people use the video them, yeah.
But are him and the main culprit.
Platform, right? No, can I call it? Can I have a platform and they say, I look at man and say, yo, you know Ray, yeah. If man the man talk cool, him do a video as well with an artist with the intro, with the girl walk on the road as it say Radam. That's where I give money to. Cause the man and paid monetary. See, there's other people out there using video, using stuff, yeah. But as I say, true.
But that again, they might pay him a one-off because you can't sign off and say you get paid
yeah,
to do that.
Me advice now say, yo, him charge 20 grand for your advert. Peanut Jet. Somebody call him and I record it. You ever see the video before?
Yeah.
I must say him charge 20 grand and him something there. But his living arrangement was like that from the start. He just started, as they say, a man quite, yo, Jagger, they don't say, yo, Ray. All of a sudden, you disclose your life and embarrass yourself in a sense of it. Because it's like you link the man and one and say, yo, dog, you know, in situations like this, you can't give me that. But when them get the money, what them do with them too as well? The next thing as well.
Like, obviously, based on what me see, look like he might live a simple life and I like say a man wear a braff and do a bag of thing like look like someone get to the money.
You do a bike one time.
Him just leave him. Still have him back. Because obviously a peanut himself. It him used for moving and hustling.
Exactly.
Him little work, you know. If I look a building work I go on if they go to a foundation and with it.
Yeah.
Them thing them do. So now a man just live in our earth and live away and when him realize that yo, whatever I'm doing see and recorded and footage out the film, people earn
off of it.
Off a film video.
Yeah, but it is alright. And the other hand, you have to look at it this way and you have to be real to yourself and understand. So if you are a grown adult, even though you may not be as clued up as most people you might think, it is in his own interest to sort out his own business.
His affairs.
And sort out his own affairs. Or if he can't do it, he must have some family member.
Somebody who he can trust.
Do it. You can't just wait until things up in our ear, you start blame people and start cuss people.
Gone far.
And then, I listen.
From first
I
video,
agree, say they're not for rob him, you know.
Yeah,
I don't know if you take away money, you know, or whatever. But I think, say, you need to take somebody blame as well. You can't show everything.
Rick, hold on now. These things been happen. And some of the time, some of these man, them now got no worry they go on. All right. Flip back the script and look on Drizzy Bird now. You see 6.
He's being exploited.
You see, him hat now, you know, say him I get exploited just to see him. Just like
who's that?
The
6.
So you
the Drizzy sharp boy. You know the new youth of Drizzy apparent?
Yeah.
When him 6.
Okay, him everything got 6 years.
So,
no.
Obviously, in that arrangement, you know that he's getting exploited as well.
You didn't know that deal though.
Hold on now. If wait a sec, no disrespect, but if it's somebody we kind of normal, clued up about everything, would I get a better arrangement, a better deal out of that? But knowing because him not so clued up, him also say him no want no more, which you know say him should have get more, but you say, nah man, him no want no more, him just want to little money.
So much he might get?
We don't know, but obviously it don't seem like he's getting a lot.
But that's the thing. People can make it think they're not.
Me know say he might get exploited. You don't need hype to say that.
Yeah, but the law can fix that.
The same bar can.
How the law can fix that? And they have a verbal agreement. If it don't have what we call it, a business contract. Remember,
black and white.
It's Drizzy Burke channel, right?
Yeah.
And basically, he could say anything what they're doing is out in the public.
Yeah.
See, I remember you in the law, you're free to video in the public or whatever, or in your private space where you're there. And you realize, say, why am I doing video them? And like say, you would say, no one on the video.
He's in all of them.
He's open if on it. So you can't claim the man say, yo, it's my video. Just like over here, the most you can do, I go to the land, so you want a copy of it. Just like if you fly one drone over Smaddy Yard, over here, them can't know about it. No matter where you have video, most of them can do a request to get a copy of the footage.
Right.
Yeah.
That's it.
See what you do.
And a similar law in Jamaica. So in terms of that, he's getting exploited. So we know how
somebody said them build house for 6.
Yeah, they're in the process of doing that. But and again,
so if them have built one house for him, so the money where them make that their money is supposed to get build 4 house. That makes sure because obviously. Sure money I make. Just like we buy that cat.
I think your response is forwarding based on the whole Drizzy border cat situation. I get what you're saying that there's a possibility that he might be exploited at the moment. At the same time, we are making an assumption. We really don't know if 6 have a family. We don't know. It can be happening. And I mean, it can happen, but we don't know if 6 have a family member who is overseeing the business aspect as what name? Peanut Dread should have someone on his side. You know, if he handle the business as it should. We don't know. And if it is a case that it is a repetition of someone else in Drizzy's camp being exploited, I fuck with that. Yeah. That's all I'm saying. Can after this, can we speak about another lawsuit topic, please?
Yeah, after that, but as we're talking about exploited, hold on there. We have looked on a lot of like the big media also will exploit people over the years too. Seeing? And the big people, I mean, the business will exploit people. Seeing? Remember, we have Saloni, we have Miss Donna, the exploiter.
Rose.
We have Rose, them that get exploited. Yeah. We have ER them where do some fuckery interview with some fuckery people. Yeah. Basically kind of exploit them just the same. So it's just a vicious circle.
Yeah. It's a business.
But watch it now, back to the Drizzy thing. I said before one time, Alright, Drizzy had him station, right? So Drizzy did have, but no one was following him before.
Channel birds.
Eh?
Channel.
YouTube channel.
No. What I said?
No.
Yeah,
Anyways, continue.
Yes, same channel it have 80,000 subscribers, right?
Yeah.
And since my Bada Cat forward, it takes $20,000.
Yeah.
So technically, like 80-20% that, no, really and truly, because if you already have a fan base over there,
I wasn't 80
let
and
me,
Bada Cat.
I'm
yes.
showing an
It's
example.
an example.
If you have a number here, sure, then you join it and make my page get further. If you can't go say, you know what, see the 20% of people you get on the show, on the subscription, me I pay for them 20% because I already have my 80%. You see me?
That's not always split.
No, listen. You are the man of the company, the camera. You already have a fan base. Me I got add it to my fan base because I know say I get me more people. So me say, brother, me already have 100,000. You join and get my next 50,000. So realistically, I said me not give you a 50 split because me still have the bigger fan base. If you come and join and get 150 now, then we work at a proper deal because I know say you're bringing more than me.
More than what I have.
So Drizzy did I say, yeah? Bada Cat getting money, but Bada Cat want to feed everybody. Drizzy just mean. He might tell the man, say, yo, we can't buy the 1 million man go dance and if buy 1 million man things.
Because Drizzy is doing the business. Bada Cat is doing the art.
Yeah, so then, in the same Drizzy thing, Drizzy make 4 off, or the only to make the porridge.
Me know what you're talking.
Him end up have his own page too, yeah?
Sean and we want.
Drizzy help him do that too. I know that for
No. In our time, the whole of the man them get bad man and start YouTube.
Yeah.
So
no,
it's not bad. It's not bad mind.
No. Remember close, yeah?
No, when it's split go on, everybody go start.
Well, no.
Yeah,
Remember close, yeah? Before Bada Cat split, yeah? The Pirate Youth, him actually get to start a channel, yeah? Cause before the split, him have a channel as well. What him do? You see the same video.
He man get them the follow. That's why him to do it.
You see same just the video them, but like a branch off fight, yeah? So him start doing things with him followers. So obviously Drizzy, I know Drizzy help him do it. Obviously, I'm all man think that the community actually.
No.
Yeah, but you see,
I said I think, I don't know.
You see them, it's
Bada
mindset.
Cat thing, yeah?
Yeah.
Is more of when Bada Cat get the advert them for do, you get the whole of the money for that. And Drizzy get that, yeah? Cause film contact, him I gotta do him work, you see me? But as I say, Bada Cat family them, as somebody who's spending an ear, so you forget more.
No, but you not look on the wrong. You see, me feel like it's a split supposed to go. When Drizzy get the money, split it between Cat. If Cat bring theme people and pay them.
But that's what he said.
If Cat bring 2 somebody, you pay them. Cause me not pay your 2 somebody no time.
Exactly.
But that's what
I
he
feel
said.
The money is split between 3 away. My money is split between me and you because it's me in business.
Content
and when you care any other people, you pay them out of your pocket. Because at any idea, remember this, you have to understand, say, Cat is the person who them a film where them get most of the content from. But we have to think about
everybody play a part.
But the background work. What Drizzy do the video. Drizzy do the editing. Drizzy put them on YouTube. Drizzy watch the analytics, all them sitting there. And Drizzy do the business end. So an idea, you can't look on you and say, you can't look on you and say, yo, because Cat quarter people him get quarter percent of this. That's not how it go. You have to really validate it and say, yo, hold on there now. Make us see what your worth. Because look at it now. See? Drizzy say, all right, you can have 20 people come here, but I can do like so I can cut and go over this and get somebody else. And it be just the same. So you have to validate what this money are worth and when you bring to the table. Because remember, this was Drizzyberg's idea at start. See? I remember that Drizzyberg is going to go on site and record him. Kind of idea and record him without film knowledge. And then them kind of agree to do it.
But Drizzy say, yeah, when they record him see the growth time channel. So him go back to him and say, yo, Bada.
This is the situation.
You know, say people love you. So this is the situation, yeah. Make with us officially start. Come before I phone him the record and they say, oh, and post it. Then them officially
get
start doing and then Bada get adverts for do and this for do, yeah. But him could be a pussy as we say, yeah, and do like we say Silka there, could I exploit him and them get nothing. Them start make money till all the man say question and stop them because them say you must get a money get approved from YouTube for proof say the YouTube money, they get on account to put that account for transfer to them.
And because it's bad mind.
They'll make it like $1 million a month.
In the interest of time, because
it's time of flight. Jamaican $1 million, obviously.
Me not feel
them do them money there.
One last thing.
Did say him give him fee money, but then Bada Cat to I call it free hands out.
So in the interest of time, because the time I go, me not feel like a bad mind though, because me feel like say everybody reach a certain stage, we supposed to can each do your own thing without anybody feel any way.
Yeah, but why you have to keep on make it split me like I want animosity? Because if you want the own, say it's a Drizzy, one thing what him can do to you, but you make it seem like I say, they must say Drizzy teach the man shirt for that part, you know, Drizzy get an L for that because take the man shirt. But other than that, yeah, you're leaving someone with the business brain for a part of the brother.
When I don't know where my
first you say Bardacat and brother, then the people don't like it, they take out Bardacat and brother, put Bardacat alone, yeah. He probably still make money, but the money we might get from female channel wouldn't be as much as the Drizzy channel. And the Drizzy gang do his own thing again and revamp him thing with
At the end
everything.
of the day, that could have died.
Exactly. Rasta, make we get the last topic there before.
There are kind of two things. On the topic of lawsuit, Bound to Kill him. And I don't know if you remember, in the summer he was suing a British publisher in regards to royalties. It was in excess of 60 mil. So basically, the situation has been resolved. The details to how much was not published.
So Killer Rich?
Rich again.
That's why man put breast in her mouth.
Yeah, dog! What a shit.
Right? So basically,
right,
over the weekend, he, I think he wrote a thing saying, following all the recent publicity about my legal situation with Othman Muklis, which is the Jam Down Limited, blah, 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 I can confirm that this matter has been fully resolved now with a full and final settlement of affairs between us. Killer Moa know how much you get.
No,
Yeah,
see, that I like, you know.
As well.
I like them. Go in the public
as
and
well,
tell them what you want. When they get it, them want to tell you what they get, you know.
As well, Breads, I think Vegas won a lawsuit with VP Record as well.
Yes.
You know, for him like a ongoing case we have with them about him funds them never really get paid
You
right.
just give up on nothing, you know what?
As
So
well as
Mr. Vega get him like a piece of money too.
Chippings.
And I idea too. It's never good to advertise how much money you get because you're just seeking attention on yourself with people. You know what Jamaica with it?
Yeah, but you advertise how much yes, all right.
no, I don't.
But Bert,
60
you know,
million.
it
So
doesn't-
60 million,
doesn't
I say,
matter.
get
Would you
Where
win
do
the
you-
lotto and go up on news and say, go collect a check? And
Is
say,
it that you're supposed to get a
May I
cut?
ask you?
It's
would
not
you
for
do
go
that?
on news. What on my social media?
Well, on
Fuck
there.
news.
Are you
Eh?
expecting a cut out of it?
Who, me?
Yeah. Tap your nice
Maybe.
Then you know where go. If a man
Listen.
tell them get so much money, will I get to them? I come
go,
kill them more piece
"Father."
of food.
Exactly.
Move.
You catch you
If
at a lie.
It's just like you never enough
Catch
to
you
make people know how much money in your account, the exact figure.
I got
Exactly.
Can't say me have a
0.0 in my
piece of
account.
money over there.
One thing, let me add something
yeah,
quick.
go
One,
ahead,
big
go
up Mr. Vegas for the performance of Beanie Man show. Big up Mr. Vegas for his performance.
I hear about it still.
Many
him a
people were
forward.
talking about he did a very.
Listen, Vegas, go on
With
wicked
himself.
on the show.
That's
Big up yourself, Mr.
That's
Vegas.
good. And some unfortunate news that we all saw over the weekend. We remember Slickiano, the social media personality. Her funeral took place over the weekend,
Yeah, I
and
saw
today,
that.
I think today's her actual birthday. So again, rest in peace to Slickiano and her family members. Unfortunately, we saw the news about Idonia's and Kim's 9-year-old son passing away from cancer. A lot of people, including, people we know, we did on at one point the platform was bashing him, saying that he was lazy. We weren't getting music from him as we were used to. And I think in one of the shows, I think we said that, or I said that we don't really know what people are going through. This is the reason why he was taking the time out to, deal with his son's health. Unfortunately, he passed away over the weekend. And we also heard news of, I don't know, there's another social media personality.
She meant to be my boy.
Hold on, brother.
Ah,
Yes. There's another media personality who died over the weekend in Dominica post-surgery. It was Governor's sister. He came out and confirmed that his sister has passed away. So, unfortunately, he's also grieving the loss of his sister. So, people, Samantha, I think her name is, yes.
Samantha Fort Jenna.
Right. She passed away over the weekend. So, rest in peace to them people. Jaja, like, the more forwards to the end of the year, we realize a whole heap of death normally happen at this time of the year.
The governor situation, though, when we see news first, it's like, I don't want to look upon it. I don't want to read the fine details because obviously, me have young children as well.
Mm-hmm.
So it's like when me see, and if you know, I'm think about the situation, what the brother knows, I say I want you to have.
I don't know.
I don't know. No governor, I don't know.
Christ.
Everything wrong,
Only
that.
dance.
Full it, back in the class.
I see him fourth gen team.
No, but different people. Let's be specific.
Anyway.
I don't know.
The seriousness of the situation is when we think about what really happened to them. Me can't even imagine how he might feel or what really the emotions for deal with that. So that one there hard, brother.
Everybody with a youth, yeah.
That one there hard.
If you have 10 son, 10 daughter, everybody have a youth. When a next person you drop out at that age, yeah, you make it look for you like say, yo, it does make you check yourself like that. Yo,
you can relate to
dog, you have to because you have a picnic to do. So when you're on a picnic, you can say, oh, dog, you cannot feel the person pain because you can whenever you can potentially have that same situation, innit?
Exactly.
I'm like, oh, and every people in the industry post, but not for them might phone.
Right.
Because some people say, yo, him and him up. No, because and everybody got post. Because me personally I haven't post him son and son. But me not know him to say, yo, dog, sorry, but me still
you
still
share the same sentiments.
Some people are post and it's like you just post for posting sake, bro.
Exactly.
And some people are post because they know him, but then some man will post and a call. And a man will not post and he say, yo, dog, I'm going to the yard and say, yo, what me can do? Because my time about money and just the supporting of that.
Yeah.
Because it's like, you be surprised, even Masca probably go part of them yard, you know?
Exactly.
And say, yo, dog, end of the day, it's because, remember, I say, when a youth dead, especially, obviously, sickness, innit? So it's like, it's a different feelings. If me an enemy like in real life, I say, yo, bro, but I got the funeral, when it done everything good, we're going to do everything again, bro.
Because you see the end of the day now, when you look at this now, like, you look at it and say, yo, it's not, we don't know how them feel about people posting it because you realize that them not come out because
they have said they're not doing any interviews.
A lot of people like to keep them life private, so a lot of people been posting all these things. It probably is upsetting to the family and everybody, but we don't know.
But on Facebook and the media page, I expect it though.
At the end of the day, I know everybody like that. Some, as we say, some people like a little reach out, you know, a little condolences, you know, a little talk, face-to-face action. And that goes a long way some of the time, more than this posting.
Yeah, me like see that.
A lot of people do the posting, they don't give a shit, they just do it for clout. And just write a bag of things on social media, they get comments and like and them something.
First can be
and we call it get likes off of somebody don't fall or somebody mishaps. Like them sitting there nice and I see it happen too much in the dance.
When my grandfather drop out here, my post it here. And about 5 minutes, I get a message. But I realize I'm going to repeat myself. I delete the post because I cannot keep on repeating. You say the same thing to me. Yeah. I'm going to repeat myself again.
It's stressed out.
So I'm going to delete it and it's done this. Even
those things like when me see it, like if I look upon him, I say, yo, if you have a grandfather or somebody like that, it's just my eyes. When I say, he's not a social media person. Like, I don't think it's, we call it necessary or it's really important. Really meant to post because at any idea. You're posting something out there, come like say, you are beg for sympathy. And in times like those, you want the people who you're close to kind of get around.
That is true.
You don't
to give
want,
you the support.
You don't want, we call it, just some random stranger we don't know. They send you a proxy message and say, yo, sorry. To me, I saw me operate like, murder keeps certain things personal.
That is true, but the flip side of this here, see, some of my time when I go through anything, it's the people in the circle can help, you know. But see, some of the time, somebody outside the circle says something to you, different from where you hear from the regular people. Remember, enough people use...
Why don't people put their mishaps on social media like say, yo,
enough people
you know no money, bro. Nobody post those fucking things. I'm looking for a job, I'm jobless.
No, but
people don't post these things. People post shit on social media for sympathy or likes. That's the only thing.
Me post a media job and nobody believe me. One time, it says like, what I say this, some of the time people post stuff here, genuinely, for consultation. Because not if I tell you post all that situation, random joke. Yeah, somebody start a conversation, they don't know the top of your social media. You realize the person have sense like one umbre link man say, yo, dog, you know say Ray, I go through some 1, 2, 3, I'm see how me operate and me I got and you must say, yo, me rate your movement and me don't know this umbre, but me give him advice as much as me can. Right. And him link back one and say, dog, you know, you said to me, say me do it and man, the miss is good no one. We are like, Ray, you see me? I mean, I say, see the card.
Bread's a counselor.
No, but that's the thing.
But
that's the thing, though.
I can agree with what All Star said, because, I mean, most of us didn't know this until I learned this today. That you know, remember the artist Alizade?
Yeah.
His daughter died in October, and we didn't know.
Oh, we didn't know.
You didn't know that?
Yeah.
So we never thought about it.
We never know.
Okay. And this is the thing. It wasn't posted on social media. It was very private. You understand? And it was only because of the whole situation of Adona them saying no to interviews. Obviously, their media team forward out and say, yo, them not in an interview, blah, blah, blah.
There's no interview to do.
There's no interview to be done. The people them lose them child. And
you expect somebody
give
to
them
answer
freaking privacy.
No.
Give them privacy.
They look like you look for Adona television.
No. There will be
an privacy.
There will be an interview in due time. Cause realistically, but as it's on, they meet the personnel.
They don't have to do anything.
No, let me finish.
They do an interview about the project they're releasing.
Yeah.
Then they ask a question about that.
No. Just like how anybody anything. No one's exempt to this, yeah? If you're a media house, you look for a story in it. But the way you go about doing it. If you have somebody wait 2 years, they say, yo, doing it, you want to talk about your story? Or you present the conversation to the person in the dog. If you genuinely want to know how the man and his family feel about the situation, then the man say, you know what? Yo, Star, come with me, I want an interview to talk about this. And they might do awareness for kids. People have kids, we have cancer and them. It can work too, you know. But at this present moment,
but not
you
right
can't
now.
call a man and tell a man,
Out
say,
of the blue.
yo, you want to talk about
that,
bro.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Anyway,
so
moving right along.
Very sad news. But yeah, we just wish for them, you know, comfort, love.
And a brighter note, I lose a couple pounds.
Moving right along.
Yeah.
Like,
as I say, people, stop use social media for the wrong things and use it for right things. And like, as I say, it's a powerful platform. It's out there for everybody to use.
Yep.
Like, just like how people want to post, say, them have breath, them have 2 bottles of champagne, them have look some sympathy, them have look likes. They can't do it the other way. You want a job, you want up your thing. Put it out there, you never know. Maybe somebody out there who can help you, somebody.
True.
I look somebody if you feel that position in them organization and for them little thing. Probably you are just the right person for fit the bill.
Right.
Just don't post, what you call it, the good bit or the sympathy bit in your life. If you do the posting thing, do it right.
Yeah.
Post your downfall. Because we know
so
nobody
learn from it.
Nobody life not perfect. You see me?
But
Because every man want post them there so want new girl and I want this a girl. But them not post when them girl fuck pan them, you know. Them not post and come on social media come tell the story there, you know, so them girl fuck pan them.
Joke, yeah? You see, if you post it don't fuck up online, them tell you say you take the piss, I lie, you tell. If you tell somebody say you broke tomorrow.
Dog, you can't please everybody full stop.
Oh, try. Enough time I get job interviews here, I'm gonna post them on my page, yeah. Some people link me and say, yo, yeah, we get our 300 views in a 4 hour on my snap. And I'm like, only 5 people contact me, say them want
people
or know somebody about
people,
job.
hold on there. People don't watch Bird snap. I true or lie, I tell. The Bird's posting
I do, because
you know why I'm gonna snap, because I know I want to watch it.
No.
You see, if I go Instagram, I could tell right how you lie.
No, I got proof because even my brother have a cleaning company.
So Birds,
I'm
alright, Birds, all I know.
I'm a poster, listen up. I'm a poster, I feel on my WhatsApp and thing, yeah. I got proof. A lot of people me get numbers.
Show me all Snapchat story.
A lot of people, yeah.
It's Snapchat, you save a story them in your phone, show it, pull it up.
If you save it.
Me say it all save.
No,
pull it up.
No, you have to save
Alright,
it.
guys, we're going to talk about this after here.
But what I say though, yeah. You post things that is productive people use, yeah.
What's that?
Phone.
iPhone? No?
Bread's
phone.
Bread's phone that.
Yeah, talk to people phone. Turn off
I
your
didn't
phone.
touch my phone.
Turn off your old
But
phone,
anyway.
man. I old banger.
Anyway. No, what I say, yeah.
I want bag I supposed to there, you know.
When I post,
my God.
when I post fucker, yeah, I get big comments. Like people start saying,
Yeah, but we know
you
that
shouldn't
that
do this.
usually happens.
Why you post that? But when I post job interview, even though secret got it on my phone, yeah, I'm gonna post, yeah. The man them view it. I'm a no enough for them need a job. And nobody comment. So when I post
It's
other
not
stuff.
your responsibility.
No,
for
but
people to
it
respond to
feel
it.
it feel.
Breads.
Hurt
Hold
you.
on,
Hurt me, dog.
Hurt you.
hold on.
No, that hurt me.
Alright,
It does, bro.
alright.
Anyway, people.
Quarter past hour of 10 o'clock,
Yeah.
ladies and
Make we talk
gentlemen.
about something quickly before we jump in.
The time jargon. Go
Quick,
jargon.
one quick topic. I don't know if anybody been watching TikTok. This umbre was say any girl where him fuck after basically pay. Remember the umbre was say him wife put him out
Is
and
that
clean
the
every
one
day.
with the hat and the
What name
rum?
again?
They wanna
The
talk
dark
like
guy.
that.
Yeah,
With the rum.
that
Then
umbre
they
there.
Lie.
I want to think about that situation there because I recently watched a little interview when yesterday, with Annie Pastor and Danny bless them.
Yeah.
And them touch upon some key points, say, the gigolo thing already go. Because me know where the gigolo thing work.
What's
perfectly.
the gigolo thing?
The gigolo. So
I
basically,
don't know
all
what
right.
that is.
Touch and go.
So, no, let me explain the gigolo thing.
Yes,
so, a
please.
gigolo is a man with woman mind, basically. So, basically, like, you know, me's a young boy. Me have a big woman we fly down. You know, like the gigolo, them like
The
white
tourists
woman.
in the OG
Yeah.
place them.
Me
Yeah.
like kind of white woman and then fly down. Me have 4 or 5 of them. You know, I mean, I change them like shoes. That one I fly down carry me. 1 3 shoes, 1 2 shoes. She have her husband up there. You know, her husband send 1 piece of food come. She spend a little money for me. 1 next one I come. I go a little tourist place. Them go target white woman.
Okay. That's a gigolo.
Yeah. So basically, this hombre now, he's saying that he's up here, and the lady that take him up here, him know him lifestyle from there, Jamaica.
Right.
So him no work.
And
Say
she take care of him.
she have to take care of him. So when him come here and him say, yo, you want this money or you want that, to buy this or that, she have to give it to him. And him say, yo, when him come here, I say the girl have her alright work, but she couldn't give him enough money when him want. So she have to get to a better job, because through him no work, he's not a working type man.
It's a
Okay.
waste, man.
No, you can't say that.
I mean, I can't say that.
All right.
Well, Rick, you cannot say that.
Why not? I can't say
You,
that.
you know why you can't say it? Because we live in a modern world now. So,
Let me-
so you would have call a girl, we say, am I maintenance? You would have call that girl a waste girl because,
Of course, she's a waste girl.
because she want to live your life. So
No, it's
if you are the man who she's taking the piss off, you call that man a waste man. But if me decide I'm going to set my standard, I'm going to put my CV out there and say, listen, this is my criteria. If you don't tick the box, them you can't get the job.
So you're saying that the woman is a waste woman then?
Yes.
No,
So
So if the
why
woman,
is the man called a
No,
gigolo?
no.
Hold on. Why is the man called a gigolo if the woman is the waste woman?
me never say this perfect man is a me never say he's a gigolo.
All right.
That's what you said.
My
them
take on
explain
this
a
here,
gigolo.
this year. My
But
this year.
hold on, sorry. But based on your explanation, say man have woman and take care of him, he's a gigolo.
No, me talk about the thing. Man have multiple man.
Multiple.
Yeah.
So if it's just one woman, he's not a gigolo.
No.
It's
It's a high maintenance man.
Yeah. No, it's a high maintenance
Alright,
because
alright.
yo,
It's a waste, man.
when you flip the script, when you not call the girl them waste girl. When
No,
you
Of course
talk,
we do.
Dragon,
no,
alright.
when you talk the truth, you know.
Yeah,
Because when man a take care of girl, see, alright, watch I know.
Bro, you ask the question and you answer the question as well.
Jaga, me answer.
No, Rick was speaking first. Go
Yeah?
ahead.
Go on, Rick.
In the case of Juggernaut about, let's simplify it. The man there at Jamaica, the girl used to come look for him. The woman carry him come a foreign, come live, him a live over here. In their house, the woman a go work. After a while, she has started telling himself to look at job. Him no want look no work. And then him decides, say, him not get enough money now, him want more money because he want to stay home, watch TV every day when the woman go work and go earn her money and to come in and mind him. That is a waste man mentality in my view. However, Dragon is saying that that is the man case because him stating case and said that is what he wants. And that's how he want to live, and she should have known that in the beginning. My take on it is just that the woman in the first place, she's obviously trying to see a good person into the guy.
Or she just head over heels.
All right.
Head over
Alright,
is in
alright.
love with her. But the man is just, from a man moral standpoint, he's a waste man. That's my point.
All right. My point to this is.
And then we wrap up the
It is,
topic.
yeah. As the Dragon say, kind of agree, Dragon. When woman do it, it's good. But why you call a woman a waste girl, as a Rick say, is when them have this demand shit, when them demand the word and I get nothing.
Exactly.
But a man job realistically in life is to look after, right? And a woman for care. So
Why the
Not
bum
in
buckler thing that-
2022.
Hold on.
No,
Let's stop. Let me
no.
stop it now. Hold
No.
on.
Wait,
Let me finish, bro.
Wait.
Let me finish, bro.
That's what he said.
Let me finish, bro.
What he
Let me
said, that's
finish,
the
bro.
usual process.
Let me finish, bro.
That's
So-
the usual process.
So the man look
But
after
in 2022,
and
it's
she
different.
care. Yeah? But as Rasta, 2022 change by night, because by the one be this and that, yeah. But me personally think, film story them fake. That's what I'm thinking. Because if you really listen to all I post them
It's not coinciding.
them not really work. And for the first one, I say, yo, blood clot, waste man. I say, my waste man, because I say, you come out foreign, you willingly VS with yourself, and then you're being ignorant enough to say, this is the reason why. But then obviously, him post it and him realize it go viral and make a next story. And then make a next story. Then we see him in our house, line up on the sofa, the same video, interview, and a name brand this and that. So I'm thinking, The man just make a story up and it go further than where him think it go and carry on. I don't think him that naive.
Listen, hold on. Let's
we get him on the show.
We don't have time.
We have to stop because obviously we have guessing we're gonna talk to as well.
Right.
So let's get back to procedure. We can finish that after the show.
Yeah, we can wrap it up.
Yeah, we can do that after, man. But with time is
or
against
if
us.
we can get in touch with the man,
we can even talk.
We could see if we can make a link and have that conversation.